Hi friends, this video shows how to disconnect a Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Then here you can see paired Bluetooth speaker Stone 352. Set it. Here you can see the disconnect. Set disconnect. Set yes.
Disconnected.
See, it's disconnected. You can see a status here, disconnected. Later if you want to reconnect, you can again come here, set the speaker, connect, set yes.
You're now connected to Boatstone.
Okay, so this way we can disconnect, then later reconnect. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.